Hey, it's Cooking with CJ. I'm gonna show you how I took my little cooking channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. Coming up. Short videos are the way to go. Google wants you to have a 10-minute video or longer. Gotta have your face in the thumbnail. Don't you dare put that face in that thumbnail. Food only. Make sure you ask people to comment and share on every one of your videos. You really shouldn't bother people and ask them to sub and comment. Make sure your title is as long as it can be. Short titles totally drive views. Use as many SEO tags as possible. SEO tags don't make a difference in the world. All right, guys, so obviously there's a bunch of contradictions out there on how to grow your channel. I am a big into YouTube University. I watch Nick Nimmin, Brian G. Johnson, anybody I can, and then I watch tons of other cooking creators. And there really isn't a huge formula because there's contradictions everywhere. You should do this, but don't do that, or do this, but don't do this way. Okay, you need to find what works for you. I do have some things that work for me, and I'm gonna share them with you. But it's all subjective. It's all how you grow. One channel started the same month I did and has 10 times the subscribers I have. So it just depends on their work, the preparation, a little bit of luck, getting in the algorithm. So you have to know how to bob and weave. Keep your head on the swivel. Be willing to make some changes to what you do. All right, so here are the 5 things that I want to share with you that helped me get from 0 to 1,000 subscribers this year. Number 1 is community involvement. It is key. In your niche, you need to be involved with other creators and collaborators, okay? So find your niche in everywhere you can, social media, YouTube, whatever, okay? So I have 2 Instagram channels. I have Twitter. I have 20 Facebook cooking groups that I post stuff in and get involved in. So community involvement is huge, all right? Number 2, you have to put out consistent content, whether it's once a week or twice a week, or if you're vlogging your videos, your cooking videos, do it every night. We have one of our creators, Marion, from Robert Roy Cooking Channel. He does twice a day live cooking, and he is blowing up right now. So he found his niche, all right? So constant content. Number 3, be specific in your niche, okay? Don't jump around a lot. From what I've learned through this past year, jumping around a lot will get you nowhere. Stick with food, stick with clothing design, whatever you want to do. Try not to cross-contaminate your niche, okay? For me, collaborations were huge. So number 4 would be collaborations. I reached out to many people in my community to do as many collaborations as possible. If someone invited me, I would do it. I wanted to get my name out there, and they wanted to be on my channel. They wanted to know my people, I wanted to know their people. So collaborations are huge. So find someone in your niche, reach out to them, and find a way to collaborate. So number 5 is live streams. Everybody in your community, in your niche, does live streams. I want to say everybody, most people do. All right, so you find the bigger channels that do the live streams, and you engage in the comments, you engage in the chat, you engage with the person doing the live stream. This has helped me in more ways than I can imagine grow from a 0 to 1,000 subscribers. All right, guys, so those are my tips and tricks on how to get there, my 5 things that really helped me grow this year. I'm looking forward to doing many more videos, and I hope you come along this journey with me. I'm an open book, so if you ever want to reach out to me, hit the About button on my channel page, and it will give you my email address. Feel free to reach out to me. I do collaborations. I want to help you grow. I have many people that have helped me get to the point where I am today. So I really look forward to talking to all you guys. This has been a great ride. We're coming up on a year. September 27th will be a year for me. So I'm excited to see where we take this in the future. And I hope you stick around and come along with me. All right? And I hope this helped. I know it was a little clickbaity in the title, and I know it was a little fun going back and forth at the beginning, but this is some serious stuff that could really help you, okay? So In the comments below, let me know what you do or what you did to grow or what you're doing now to grow. All right, I really want to know. So that's it, guys. I really do hope this helped. Thanks for stopping by, and again, thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.